Queens, here's a way to help you prevent from getting hair bumps from a stylist braiding your cornrows too tight. This is what you want to do. You want to part the hair in 3 sections and then take some leave-in moisturizer. And you guys, this is not sponsored. This is just a leave-in moisturizer that I like to use. But you can get any moisturizer you choose as long as it's leave-in. So I am saturating her hair with the leave-in moisturizer. And I'm doing a 2-strand twist. A 2-strand twist. So I have done that with 3 sections of her hair. So you want to go ahead and twist that. Then you want to come in and put a little heat on that to kind of seal it. So I'm putting the heat on there to seal the deal. Now, the cornrow pattern I use for this installation is my favorite, of course, the beehive cornrow pattern. I'm using the twist rod by Lil Looks, which is one of my favorite kids' hair. I absolutely love this hair because it looks so natural. So I'm lifting up this hair. I already put the installation in. And I am going to proceed to untwist these twists. And you guys, as you can see, look how natural that looks and look how natural that is for a blend with this synthetic twist rod hair. This is such a great ideal that helps to prevent from getting those bumps on the back of your neck from a cornrow being too tight. So we are simply leaving out this section, but look how great that is. Her natural hair just curled up and it mimics the twist rod. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to just add in some more hair, because when you lift it up, you can see where you may need to add a few more pieces to finish the look. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And Queens, if you want a full look, you can just simply add more packs of hair. She had 4 to 5, but I believe the last time I did my installation, I think I did 9 to 10, 9 packs, I think, of this, because I wanted mine to look super full. So I'm going to just finish up adding in some few pieces where there is space. Queens, look how that blends in. That is absolutely perfect. Look at that natural blend in. So if she wants to pull her hair up a little bit in the back, that she can, and it will look so natural. Now I can go ahead and just finish up her look. I'm blending in her natural hair with the crochet braid hair. And I'm going to go ahead and start to trim it a little bit. But Queens, you guys, please, please, please be careful on this next step, because you do not want to cut her natural hair. You absolutely don't want to do that. So as you're cutting and trimming, please keep in mind, okay, her natural hair is out and I don't want to clip her natural hair. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to kind of just look through it and spray it a little bit, and then just continue to finish up the look. Now, after I finished cutting her hair and trimming, she doesn't want her face to be seen. So again, unfortunately, we can't see the front side, but I did end up finishing up her look, and it looked absolutely beautiful. She loved the look. She really enjoyed it. And so what I have next up for you guys, stay tuned, because I have a full video attached to this one in regards to the twist rod hair, and it is a review video. So the next video coming up attached to this is going to give a review on this awesome hair. I absolutely love this hair. If I had a choice to pick a hair, a crochet braid curl pattern style, it would definitely be this one, because it looks so natural, and it's just, people just think it's a twist out. So you guys enjoy the rest of the video. And again, thank you for watching. And please, you guys, go ahead and like and subscribe. I would appreciate that. And enjoy the rest of this video. Today I am bringing you this awesome installation, which is called the Twist Rod 6-inch. You guys, I have been getting so many compliments on this hair, and I absolutely love this hair. It looks so natural. That's what I love about it. It looks like it's my hair. It really does. And as you guys know, if you follow me for a while, last summer or this past summer, I put in the Afro kinky twist, and I was loving this look. So I have a video on this of how I did this, untwisted, took it out. And so I got the big hair, and then I went ahead and chopped it down to real short, and beautiful look. And it hung this away, and it was a looser curl pattern, and I absolutely loved it. But the problem was that it was hard to manage. So I only kept it short for about a week. Only kept it short for about a week. And because it was so hard to manage and take care of, even me, for being a crochet braid master stylist, it was hard for me to manage. So I just took it out, had it in for about a week. Then I love that look. I said, there's got to be another hair out there where I can get that same look. So I came across this hair, Twist Rod 6-inch by Lil Looks. This is actually a kid's hair crochets, 6 inches. So I put this in. I used 11 packs for the hairstyle. It was big, so I went ahead and chopped that down. And this is what I got from using this hair. Now you guys see this hair looks like it looks like Bohemian by Free Tress, but it's not. It doesn't give you that frizz look. It doesn't give you that tangling. I mean, it just looks like your natural curl pattern. It looks like a natural kinky afro. And so you guys, look at this. Look how that looks. It looks like an afro, your own hair. And then on top of that, it feels so super soft. I mean, it feels like it's wool. It really feels like it's wool. It feels like cotton. It really does. I mean, people think this is actually my hair, and it's not. I love the look. Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks. Look how natural that looks. It is good for shampooing. It is good for working out. You can wear this hair for about 6 weeks. You don't have to wear a bonnet every night, but put your bonnet on, but you don't have to. It's really flexible and it's really easy breezy hair. It really is. So you guys come in and make your appointment to get this look. I love it. I love it. I love it. If I could wear this for the whole rest of the year, I would. I really would. I really would. I'm just loving, what is that, a little something in my hair? But I'm loving this look, you guys. See, it's even staying in there, whatever that is. That's a little piece. Anyways, I'm loving this look. I am loving it. And look, you could just do it like that. Look, you could just do it like that. And like in the mornings, I'm getting up and I'm looking crazy, you know, looking, because like, you know, you sleep on it, right? Okay, so look, check it out. Look, it's looking crazy. Look how crazy that's looking. But check it out, you guys. Just take it, do like that, move it around, get the style you want. You know, just take it, play with it, stretch it, pull it, keep pulling it till you get the look you're looking for. And once you get that look at that, you guys. You can take it right back to how you want it to be. You know, and if there's any like extra pieces that are hanging out, you know, you just clip it. Just clip off the little stray pieces. See, that just came out right there. And I had it in for a minute, but you just clip it, play with it, stretch it. See that? See that? And it just goes right back to looking fabulous. Yeah, you just play with it. See that? You know, don't be afraid to play with it. If a piece here and there comes out, as long as the whole thing is not coming out, you know, because I've had this in for a few weeks now. But yeah, but this is it, you guys. The twist rod, 6-inch, and see, look, see how that hangs like that? You just take it and clip that off like that. That's all you got to do. And if you want to, you know, just take it. See that right there? Just take it and just clip the little pieces off and just play with it until you get the look that you're looking for. You know? So anyways, this is what it is. I absolutely love this hair. It is easy to take care of. It's easy to manage. And, you know, even for people, you're not really a hair person, this is really, really nice hair. You know, really, especially if you are the kind of people that you wear your twist styles or you wear your natural hair and you want to keep that natural look going, then this is the hair for you. So here you goes, guys. Here it is. Here it is. Okay, make your appointments.